name is Aulia Maharani, and today I will talking about the understanding young learners. So as we can see on my poster, there are two main parts. The first is characteristic of young learners. So in characteristic of young learners, there are 5 points. So the first point of characteristic young learners is active and energetic. They love to move around and have a lot of physical energy, and also they have a lot of energy. So we cannot we as a teacher, we cannot ask them to sit still for an hour. We should include body movement or games in our lesson. So oh my god, I forgot, I will put the poster in here. Okay, the second point is short attention span. Students always get bored easily if the activity is so long. So we must keep our activity short and exciting. If a task is too long, they will stop listening and stop attention. Okay, the next point is curious and imaginative. They have a high level of curiosity and love fantasy or stories. So we can use by using puppets or storytelling to make the English class more fun. Okay, the next is holistic learners. So holistic learners is students learn to their senses, seeing, hearing, and touching. So they don't just listen us. They need to see the colors or touch the objects and smell things to understand the word. Like this is a tissue. The color of tissue is white, like that, guys. So the last point of characteristic of young learners is egocentric. So they often relate everything to their own world and experiences. So it's better to use topics they like, such as their family, their toys, or their favorite food. The next point of understanding young learners is how they learn. So the how in this poster there are 5 points, and the first is learning by doing. They learn best through hands-on activities and play. So instead of just giving them a list of words, let them draw, color, or build something while using English. So the second point is indirect learning. Students also pick up language from the environmental and context, not just from rules. And they don't need to study grammar rules yet. They learn English from the instruction we give and the song we sing. So as a teacher, we can give them one song or two songs for make they have fun. Okay, the next is visual and auditory. So they respond well to bright colors, pictures, songs, and rhythm. This is why using big flashcard, colorful poster like this, and catchy songs is very effective for young learners. And then So the next is social interaction. Social interaction is students learn through playing and communicating with their peers. So by working in pairs or groups, they learn how to communicate and share with others while uh, practicing the language. So the last point is repetition. The student need to hear and do things many times to remember them. So don't be afraid to repeat the same song or greetings every day. Repetition helps them remember words for a long time. So to deal with young learners, we must uh, be creative and follow the natural way of learning. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.